piney woods became our daily bread. Grandpa's hands, roughed up by time, calluses that held stories in each line, showed me life ain't always crystal clear, but in the hardest work we find what's dear. Grandpa's old log truck rolling down the line, tales of sweat and grit from a long, hard grind. Every nick and scratch told stories untold of a man who carried timber and a heart of gold. He taught me how to shift through them heavy years, shared me wisdom through the passing years. In that cab, with a long day ahead, the piney woods became our daily bread. Grandpa's hands, roughed up by time, calluses that held stories in each line, showed me life ain't always crystal clear, but in the hardest work we find what's dear. Grandpa's old log truck rolling down the line, tales of sweat and grit from a long, hard grind. Every nick and scratch told stories untold of a man who carried timber and our hearts